Okay, see this question, which is the larger? Which is larger you have to find. That is 1.01 to the power of 10 lakhs or 10,000, right? So what to do here when you have such questions? You have to write as 1 plus 0.01 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So expressed like this. Okay? Is it okay? After this we can write this one as, this one expands a binomial expansion. So what do you get here? Binomial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C, 0. Okay, 1 power anything is 1. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C1. C1. Or get 1 power something is 1. And into 0.01. Correct? Plus what we can write as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C2. 0.01 whole square. Like so and so. We will not write all the terms. Okay? We will not write. So we can write as 1 plus 0.01 to the power of 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs C0 plus 10 lakhs C1 0.01 plus 10 lakhs C2 0.01 whole square, so and so. So this value is how much? 1. And what will be this value? NC1 value is how much? NC1 value. NC1 value is how much? NC1 value. Huh? NC1 value. Acha, 5C1 value. 5. 5C1 value how much? So NC1 value is how much? Acha, this value is how much? Alright, 10 lakh C1 value is how much? Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 0.01 plus some positive integer. Just write down as positive integers. Likewise you will get, but I don't want more than this. So positive integers. Correct? So if I multiply with this 10,000, what I am going to get? 1 plus, tell me. What I will get? 10,000. Huh? 10,000 I will get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am getting more, huh? 4. Right. Plus some positive integers. Means you are adding them, right? It will be getting more than that, right? So how much I got here? 10,001 plus positive integers. Right? Is it right, sir? So which is greater? This one is greater or this one is greater? This one is greater, na? Because you are getting 10,001 more. So your answer is homework questions. Tell me.
The question that 5 to the power 99 is divided by 100.
I explained yesterday. Chalo sir. Next question is, which number is larger? Which number is larger? 1.2 to the power of 4,000 or 800? This is homework team. Okay? Which number is bigger? Okay. It's okay, fine, right? So suppose they are asking to find last two digits. Okay, last one digit we did in cyclicity. So last two digit, if you want to do this, is I can write as 81 to the power of 25 can be written as 80 plus 1 to the power of 25. Expand this one, how you get here? 25C 0. Okay, 1 plus 80 can I write? 1 plus 80 or 80 plus 1? How you want? However you want, I'll do that. Is up to you. 80 power 25 plus 25C1, 80 power 24 into 1 power 25C2, 80 power 23 plus so and so plus so and so 25C. Last three steps, whenever they ask you last two digits, so write last three digits also, last three terms of the back, you should write last three terms also. Okay, so last three terms, what I write here, last three terms means 25C 23, 24, 25, 23 I'll take, 23, 80 power 2, right, plus 25C 24, 80 power 1, 25C 25, 80 power 0, na? 80 nahi hai, only 1 you will get, correct? So here this I can write as 25C0, 80 power 25 plus 25C1, 80 power 24. You have to simplify last three. Whenever they ask you last two digits, means last three you focus. Three digits also last three. If not, last four. This thing you should know, that's it. So last two is said, so I will focus on last three. See, last two also sufficient, but for a safer side, we go for the third term also. So here this one, I will simplify these two only. These all the things are not necessary. These all things are, you can omit. Only last three we will take. So what do you do here? 25C 23 is how much? We keep same as it is, 25C 23. But 80 square is how much? 8 8 is 6400. 6400. Correct? Plus. And this is how much you get? This is you get 25, right? 25 into 80, correct? Yeah. Next, this is I will get 1. Correct? So 80 into 25. 2000, right? So I will get as 2000 plus 1. You know already two zeros are there, so it will not disturb the last two digits. Are you getting it point? Already two zeros are there, it will not disturb for other two. That is only our matter. Okay, if this disturbs, then you have to simplify this. If this is not disturbing, only our focus is these both. So if I add these both, what I will get here? 2001. So what is the last two digits? 0, 1 is the answer. So such kind of questions whenever is there, you have to do it like this. So this concept over.